What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, guys, we are here in Broad Cove Marsh. Pretty sure that's the name of it. I don't know why that's trend for these videos. I don't know the names of the places I'm at, but it's just this little conservation area I stumbled upon, and I want to check it out. So far, it's pretty cool. So let's check it out, shall we? First things first. Well, it's very muddy. It's one thing. It's a marsh, but it's a nice little river, some rocks. Looks like a wall, but it seems to me that it's just a field so far. There are some trails, I think. I'm here. Look, there's fish. There's little fish. I'm getting my shoes very muddy. Look at the little. I don't know if you can see it. They're scattering, but there are little fish in there. Anyways, let's continue on. I'm all alone, by the way, as you guys can tell. So, hey, this might be me dying. I don't know, but you know, guys, adventure's out there, and it's places to explore everywhere you go. It's just up to you to explore those places. A little stream. Look at that. And a little piece of wood to walk over. And a bench. This is nice. This is actually pretty cool. Look at all the, a lot of bugs. Look at all the green rocks. That's neat, guys. That's real cool. Well, guys, got some signs up ahead. Let's see what they say. Well, that wasn't a very interesting sign. It just said maintenance vehicles only going that way. So I guess that means we can go this way. I don't really know. I'm just gonna go on this way, I guess. If I get arrested, I get arrested. Who knows? Let's continue on. Guys, I keep hearing things in the bushes. And I swear I just heard voices. This is actually getting kind of creepy. And it looks like this is opening up to a building, maybe? I don't know. But if it does open up to a building, I'm definitely turning back. Because I don't know if I'm supposed to be here or not. But I guess we will find out shortly. Well, the trail brings us right next to this farm over here. And then seems like it just keeps on going this way. I don't want to be like spotted and then I'll be screwed. But it goes that way. Guys, smash that like button and comment down if you want me to come back here. Just check out what's back there, because I am alone and I am not in the mood to get charged with trespassing. So, and if you guys have any information about this place, leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, maybe I'll come back. Who knows? And this is another bridge. Very dangerous too. Okay, I'm gonna try not to fall and die here. This is not sturdy at all, but oh boy, that was bouncing. That was a bouncy bridge. Oh boy. All right, we're really in here now, guys. I don't know where the heck I'm going, but I'm going somewhere, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, you know that scene, Jurassic Park, I think it's 3, where they're in the tall grass and the raptors pick at them one by one. They all die eventually. Yeah, I feel like that's what's gonna happen to me any second now. I also feel like my feet are very, very moist at the moment, and I'm walking in water. Yep, water. As I suspected. Wow. I mean, this place really is cool. I mean, if I have some suggestions, maybe next time I come here, if I come here, I'll check some trails, see if that is actually a trail over there. And I will come back for a part 2, definitely. But bring waterproof boots, because I keep stepping in small rivers. Guys, literally underneath all this grass is just small, like little puddles of water everywhere. And I definitely have ticks on me right now. Alright guys, seems like this area is very open, first of all, and it's also dry for the most part. I'm actually gonna go more towards this way and follow the little stream to the main body of water. See what it has in store for us. Look at that, guys. Look at all that mud. Definitely a marsh, but it's really cool. Probably a lot of treasure and stuff in that mud. Think about it. It's really neat, huh? Yeah, definitely not gonna walk down there. Definitely not doing that. I'll probably, you know, die or something, get stuck in some mud. I'm starting to smell the salt of this the river the further I go, you know, downstream here, and, you know, to the actual river part. That would have been easier to say, but yeah, starting to smell a little bit salty at the moment. Very nice, very good. There's some rocks up there. I'm gonna maybe make my way up there after I get down there. But this is cool. You know, get some of them fisherman overalls, the ones that are rubber, and just put them on and metal detect over here. Be pretty cool. Be really cool. Look at that. There's a heron's nest, or some type of large bird nest over there. Alright guys, we're slowly approaching the edge of the main stream here. It looks like it goes, there's a little entrance over there for another one, but yeah, this is just all mud. I'm definitely not going down there, but it's all mud. All mud. You can hear the baby chicks from the bird over there. This is all mud. It's crazy. So let's make our way to the woods. There's like a bright blue thing in there. I see. You probably can't see it with the camera, but something bright blue, and caught my eye. It's a bird. Oh, look at all the babies. I don't think you saw them, but they were really small. Oh, there's Mama. Some birds. And this blue thing. What the heck is this thing? You guys see it? It's a little blue thing over here. What is that? It's like a tarp or something, but it's a really big rock. Let's climb it. Oh, there's thorns all the way up here, and I just saw some broken glass. This is, all right, I'm sorry having to use my hands. Here we go. On top of the rock now, guys. Wow. Look at this view. I'm slowly getting bit by bugs everywhere. But yeah, here's what you guys are about to see is the looks like another stream. Yeah, this one I think is a little bigger too. Look at that. That's sick. And there's the nest. Guys, I found shotgun shell. Chicka chicka boom. Shotgun shell. That's one dead animal, sadly. Guys, I just thought of something. It's very peaceful out here. All you hear is just the sound of the wind, the birds, the grass moving because of the wind, which is why I am not going to fly the drone, because the wind, especially just now, just picked up substantial. I don't know, one of those two versions of that word. But yeah, let's almost back to the car. Car's right over there. Keep stepping in these puddles. My feet are soaked, and yeah, I'm a little bit tired, to be honest with you. But this was a very nice, unexpected adventure, you know. Just and I encourage you guys. Sorry, I have choppy camera work. I encourage you guys to go out, you know, drive around. You see like one of those little brown signs that say conservation area or state park. Take a few seconds, either take a note, go back to that area, or stop for 5 minutes even. Explore, you know? See what the world has to offer. And this, you know, this is local to where I live, you know? It's like little places like this you never know are around, you know, around your area that you never think of, you know. There's a way people put it. It's you know how you're a tourist to like other places, but it's good to be a tourist of your own area, you know. Figure out what cool, interesting places lie in your little hometown. And I'm gonna have to walk across some rocks here to get across the stream. This is gonna be fun. Oh boy. This is not safe at all. Some of these rocks are slippery, some of them are loose, but it's a good view of the stream. Nice. Well guys, Diane is right there. Seems that we have made it out alive. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe, because this was a very this was an adventure, guys. Alone, muddy marsh. It was fun, it was cool, it was interesting. Saw some wildlife. But yeah, note to self, bring some extra pairs of socks next time. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Have a good one.
exciting